Panum Building. The Panum Building, formerly referred to as the Panum Institute, is a large building complex that is part of the University of Copenhagen's North Campus in Copenhagen, Denmark. It houses the Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences. This includes the Dental School and the former Faculty of Medicine, as well as the School of Oral Health Care and the School for Dental Technicians. The Panum Building has many facilities, including a library, 2 canteens, lecture theaters, offices, student clubs, and a bookshop. The Panum Building also houses the largest dental clinic in Denmark, with approximately 230 treatment chairs. The building was named after Danish physiologist Peter Ludvig Panum, 1820–1885. History. The Panum Building was built from 1971–1986 by the architects Eva and Niels Capel, Gert Edstrand, Paul Erik Thiering, and reflects brutalism. The outside areas were designed by landscape architects Edith and Ole Norgard. The artistic decoration and color schemes, e.g. the characteristic chimneys, were envisioned by Tunning Rasmussen. In parts of the basement, there are murals made by Paul Jerns. The Panum complex was first taken into use in 1975. The School of Oral Health Care moved to Panum in 1986. Maersk Tower. In 2012, construction began on an extension of Panum called the Maersk Tower. The tower was inaugurated on January 18, 2017. The Panum complex grew from 150 square meters to 140 square meters. The approximately 42,700 new square meters are primarily dedicated to research and educational activities, canteen, and bicycle parking facilities. On the top floor of the Maersk Tower, there is public access to an observation platform.